Customize invoices with the UNI11 layout of Banana Accounting Plus. Add a logo. Change the colors. Choose the position of the address. Adapt the texts. And much more. Set your logo. If you have a logo that you want to display, enter it from the File menu, Logo Setup command. Add an image, set the size and alignment of the logo in the invoice header. Also define the alignment of the text in the invoice header. Click on Help for more information. Invoice settings. From the Print Invoices dialog. In the Options section, select a language and enter the final text. Enter the Settings dialog. You have many possibilities to customize your printing. This video explains only the main ones. In the Print section, you can check the elements to appear on the invoice. Include in the header the address you defined in the basic settings. Alternatively, define manually the texts to be displayed. Decide whether to include the logo in the header. If you have defined more than one logo, you can decide which one to use. Compose the billing address in the order you prefer. You have the option to align the address to the left. If you need to adjust the position of the address, you can move it horizontally and also vertically. Define which invoice information to include and which to exclude. Choose which columns to display in the invoice details table. For each column, define the width, the alignment of the titles, and the alignment of the texts. Decide whether to use gross amounts with VAT included or net amounts with VAT excluded. In the text section, define your translations for the various languages. In this way, you can define all the texts of the invoice. For example, define the header texts for the columns of the invoice details table. Finally, you can change some invoice styles, such as font type, the size, text colors, and other colors. Click on Help for more information. View the preview. You can print it or export it in PDF format. Get started with the free version. Banana.ch